How to stop Gmail notifications on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how I can stop the Gmail notifications on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now by this, what you probably mean is that if you get lots of Gmail notifications from Facebook, then in that case what you can try to do is you can simply go ahead and then actually open up your Facebook app, tap on the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen there. Then after you have done that, simply go to the gear icon to come to your settings page here. So just come to the settings page and wait until a couple of seconds this loads up. Then here under preferences, go to notifications. From notifications, simply scroll down. It says where you receive notifications, you can see email. You simply want to actually turn off the email notifications to all of these over here, so you will not receive email notifications next time whenever you have such kind of issues with your Facebook account, or whenever anything is happening, you will not receive email notifications until you turn this on. So you can select required notifications over here only. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.